you say on YouTube. So a few weeks back I went to put some shopping in my boot and it went floppy on me. So I guess it's time to replace the gas struts. Also, I noticed yesterday I reached 100 subscribers, which might not seem like much compared to the bigger channels, but it's definitely a start. Just want to say a big thank you to everyone that has subscribed, and I'm aiming to release one video per week for you guys. Look how nice of a day it is, it's reading 33 degrees. Firstly, you're going to need something to hold up the boot. I suggest a plank of wood, but I haven't got a plank of wood. This very professional looking setup is a chair with half of a fan on with some rags to stop it from scratching and so. I've managed to source some second-hand ones, someone was breaking off a car. Only 12 quid, job's a good one. So whilst these ones are off, I'll quickly show you how they work. They've got like a locking retainer kind of clip, and once you get flatted underneath it, it releases the clip and then it doesn't lock in to this little circular bit anymore, which holds it onto the actual boot. So all you need to do is get your flathead up behind it and release it. This one hasn't got any on the bottom, but we've got spares on the ones that are already on the car. So firstly, we've got to take the old struts off by removing the clips. So I've got the old struts out, got the spare clips off them. It looks like it was only one of the sides that failed, because this just isn't holding any pressure at all. The other one's still solid. Always make sure you keep hydrated. You might be able to see better here. Literally, see that? I don't know if it's focused too well. That's all you need to do to release the little clip. Now well, as you saw, my boot holder thing failed, so I'm gonna have to do this whilst leaving the boot on my back. So I'm gonna do a quick time lapse of getting them back on, but make sure you get them the right way so the fixed side is on the lower part of the boot. Like that basically. This part connects to the lower, this part to the higher. Nice and easy, finished. Now I could have had that job done in literally 10 minutes if I had a plank to hold the if I had a plank to hold up the boot, or if you could even get someone else to hold up the boot for you. And if I wasn't filming, it would have taken probably 5 minutes. Literally anyone could do this job as long as they had a flathead screwdriver and someone to hold the boot. So if you've got this issue, if you've got this issue, I'd recommend tackling it yourself. I know it was quite a short video, but it could help someone out there, and if not, at least I'll fix my boot. Again, thank you for the first 100 subscribers. Like I mentioned, I'm going to be trying to put at least one video a week. People interrupting. Bye!
Bye!
Sorry about that. Like I said earlier, I'm going to be trying to release at least one video a week. And I've got a few good ideas, one of them being trying to make the car louder without actually touching the exhaust or anything within the system that makes the car loud. It's quite unusual, I guess. I haven't seen any Fiestas with it. I think it'd be quite fun. And yeah, catch you soon. So the one that interrupted, come back from the gym. What's inside this?
It's another rat.
She's gonna got another rat. That's 7 rats.
His name's Blue.
Hey, you little guy.